Queries are specified in the Health Quality Measure format, or HQMF for short. This is an XML standard for documenting the content and structure of a quality measure using an XML document formatted based on the HL7 RIM. It consists of 3 levels of detail: metadata, such as who wrote it, the dates over which it is valid, who validated it, and other details about how the measure works or is used. Human narrative, including measure description, data criteria, the measure population, and measure observations. Finally, computer instructions as to how to count and compute the results of the measure. This is a small part of the XML in an HQMF query specification. In this case, it provides instructions to the computer to only include patients who've had a weight measured. This might define the numerator of a weight screening quality metric. That, as you recall from Lesson 2, is a requirement of meaningful use.